Hey guys, welcome back to 4K Motoring. I'm Chris, and here's another Corvette video in this saga. So, you guys have been watching for a while. You've seen my issues with the charging systems in this car, and it's continued to plague me. I think I have it narrowed down to the exact cause of the issue, and I think I've said that before, but I'll show you guys what I mean here. So the issue I keep getting is that there's a charging system fault error that pops up on the driver information center here on the Corvette. Now, the voltage has been well above 13 the whole time. It's not dropped. So I'm not running into an issue where I'm running off the battery. It doesn't seem like it's harmful in any way. The car just doesn't like it. And when I'm driving and it keeps changing what's on the screen by popping that warning up, it's pretty annoying. So I've given this a little bit of a thought, and I've noticed that the voltage is usually on the higher end when it shows this message, not the low end. So it's not that it's having a lack of charging issue, but perhaps a too much charging issue. When I installed my infotainment screen, the new cigarette outlet I installed that has the USB ports in it has a voltage reading direct on it. And I've noticed a correlation that whenever I see that charging system fault pop up, the voltage will always be above 14.2. So whenever I get the voltage 14.3, 14.4, as much as 14.5, this notice will pop up, and then when it goes back down to where it's supposed to be, roughly under 14.2, the message will just disappear on its own. So that's something I've noticed to be constant. I don't know exactly that is 100% the issue, but from what I see, that seems to be the issue. I went and contacted rockauto.com, which is where I got my alternator from, and got a lot of traffic up here. I went and contacted them. I don't know what we're doing. And they offered me a warranty replacement for the AC Delco remanufactured unit that I got. So I figured it might as well. It's not costing me anything. So I had them send me a new one. I have that back at the house. We're gonna throw that in today. That is an easy swap. I'm not too worried about the installation part. You guys have seen that. But I want to see if perhaps there's just a slight change in it that brings it down a little bit in voltage. They are the 110 volt that it's supposed to have in it, same thing that came out of the car. I still have the factory alternator. So it is supposed to be the correct alternator. So we'll see if this new one is more within tolerance that the car likes. If not, I'm not quite sure what we're gonna do, but we'll have to figure that out. So we have our replacement here. I've already shown you guys how to do the swap. I'll make sure I link this video right above you, right up here. And I'm just gonna kind of run through this, get it swapped out, and see if it makes a difference. Well guys, I've put about a tank of gas through the car since I've done the second alternator swap, and this one seems to work. The car at this point is not showing any charging system errors. The voltage seems to be 0.2 or so less than the first alternator I got. So again, the first one wasn't not charging the battery, it was charging the battery and really wouldn't have left us stranded anywhere. Just gave us that annoying notice all the time because these cars are picky when it comes to electronics. Second one's right where it's supposed to be. Remanufactured AC Delco unit from Rock Auto, and they've been awesome with the return. So that has been done, cost me nothing except for about 5 minutes of time putting it in. Otherwise, good to go. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys enjoyed the Corvette content. Stay tuned and we'll have more coming.